Mastering modern phrases, put on mute. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's become incredibly common in our digital world. Put on mute. Whether you're in online meetings or chatting with friends, understanding and using this phrase correctly is key in our connected era. So, let's dive in and master it together. Put on mute is a phrase that's gained popularity with the rise of digital communication. To put something on mute means to turn off the sound of a device or a function within a device. It's like pressing the mute button on your TV remote, but in a wide variety of digital contexts. This phrase is commonly used in scenarios involving electronic devices or digital platforms. For example, during online meetings, someone might say, "Can you put your microphone on mute?" This means they're asking you to silence your microphone to prevent background noise. While watching a video, you might put the video on mute if you need to temporarily stop the sound without stopping the video. There are a few variations of this phrase that you might hear. Mute yourself, or mute your mic, in online meetings. Go on mute, which means the same as put on mute, but is more informal. In some contexts, simply saying mute can imply the same action. Let's see how this phrase is used in real-life sentences. 1. During the webinar, please put your phone on mute to avoid interruptions. 2. I had to put the game on mute because my baby was sleeping. 3. In a meeting, there's a lot of background noise. Could someone on the call please put on mute? Understanding phrases like put on mute is crucial in our digital communication today. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, the key is to practice using it in appropriate contexts. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.